Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to go over step by step on how I apply full glam to my client. First, I'm going to apply primer all over my client's face using a brush. Next, using an angle brush, I'm shaping my client's brows from the bottom up to the arch and shading them in. Now that the brows are done, I'm going to go in with some eye primer. I'm using the P. Louise base as an eye primer while also cleaning up the bottom of the brows. After the primer is all blended in, I'm going to go onto the top part of my client's brows with her foundation shade color to avoid a halo above the brows. Next, I'm going to add a very light layer of powder over the eye primer, making it easier for me to blend the eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with a dark brown eyeshadow to create the shape that I like with this nice blending brush, really blending out that color in the crease. Now that I have the shape that I like, I'm gonna go in with a powder that's close to my client's skin color to blend out those edges and make it a soft edge instead of a hard edge. in with a peachy flesh tone color with a flat brush, adding it to my client's eyelids. I'm also going to add that color right up under the brow as a highlight. Now that my eyeshadow is perfectly blended out the way that I like, I'm going to go in with the eyeliner. Now I'm going to add primer back to where I've cleaned the fallout out from under my client's eyes, and I'm going to go in with her foundation. Next, I'm going to add concealer under my client's eyes and in the highlight spots. After blending out my highlighter, I'm going to add cream contour along my client's cheeks, the nose, and a little bit on the forehead. Next, I'm gonna add a cream blush and a little bit of a cream highlight. gonna set my client's under eyes using her foundation powder and a brush. After setting my client's highlighted areas with her foundation color, I'm gonna go in with some setting powder, really carving out the cheeks contour and also setting her highlighted areas as well. Using a clean brush, I'm gonna lightly dust away the setting powder. Now that my base is complete, I'm gonna go ahead and set my client's face and also add lashes. After the lashes are set in place, I'm gonna add mascara to my client's lashes, carefully joining them with the false lashes. Next, I'm gonna add drop shadow using that same dark brown color that we used in the beginning, lightly brushing away any fallout. After doing drop shadow and bottom liner off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and add my client's inner corner highlight, really making the eyes pop. And last, using a chocolate color lip liner, I'm gonna line my client's lips, and add the lipstick. And here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.